Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this May the 21st, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Tuesday out so far, but has a great and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Wednesday and Thursday. Also, take a look at the current weather radar also across the nation. Also, we're going to take a look at the Watches Warning Advisory map. Also, the Storm Prediction Center overview. In the storm pretty much over Iowa. We'll talk about that and also the hail and also damage and wind reports. Also, we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for your Wednesday. And around to the entire video. Do not miss a beat of this forecast because we have a lot to unpack in this video. Alrighty. Well, if you have not subscribed to my channel, smash that subscribe button and make sure you subscribe today. You get my forecast on here most of the time, unless something comes up. Alright. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. Some flash flooding, heavy rain over portions of Texas, up into Arkansas, and also portions of Kentucky and Tennessee. We have a cluster of showers and storm possible over portions of Colorado, Oklahoma, and Kansas. Same up here in portions of Montana and also into Washington and Idaho region, Idaho, Oregon, and Washington State, and also western Montana. We have some snow and heavy snow there as well. Across along coastal areas of Washington, Oregon State, and a little bit in Idaho as well. All right, I'll let this activity for your Wednesday, May 22nd. All right. Let's move on to a little bit over in Washington, Idaho region as well. A little bit of shower activity in northwestern Washington State. Same in portion of Arkansas, and some heavy rain and flash flooding for portions of Texas, Arkansas, and also western Tennessee and northwestern Mississippi as well. Otherwise, dry high pressure in charge of the portion of Michigan, Wisconsin region, also back in Illinois, Indiana, and also down in the portion of Oklahoma. We got a line of strong to severe thunderstorm with ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings from up here from Wisconsin all the way down in the portion of state as well. The rest of the United States look pretty clear at this time. Alright, let's move on to the Watches Warning Advisory map for your locating across the nation. Here's the Storm Prediction Center overview. As you can see, here is the marginal risk in the northeast, stretching back into New York State. And there's that marginal slight risk, enhanced and moderate risk area right in the central portion of the United States. General thunderstorm from portions of Montana back to portions of Kansas, Nebraska, and Oklahoma and Texas, stretching over to western North Carolina. Back up to New York. Just talking about currently concerning tornado watch here. And one side. Okay, here's the little red dot. That's where the tornado was confirmed. Nebraska, western Nebraska, eastern Nebraska, a lot in Minnesota, and also a lot in Iowa. A few here in portion of Missouri. Vermont, New Hampshire region, also eastern New York State. And we had hail report. We had 98 of them. 10 of them were large, pretty much from portion of New Hampshire over toward portion of Wisconsin, Iowa, also into portions of Nebraska. Surprised to see more added between now and midnight tonight. They will add after midnight tonight. They will start a new page and they will continue to go forward from there. We'll add storm reports. Check back later with the Storm Prediction Center on the storm reports later. All right, current fire weather for today. All right, as you can see, we got elevated risk from Port of Colorado, 10 North Texas. New Mexico. All right, you can see we have some. Uh, let me see. Is that? I think that dense fog there. So yeah, we got aerial flood advisories over portions of New Hampshire, down in the portions of the Boston area. We have some severe thunderstorm warnings, northern portion of New York State, special weather statements there. Coastal flood advisories up here, portions of the Washington, D.C. area. Area flood warnings in effect portion of Virginia, southwest Virginia. River flood warning for Panhandle, Florida, South Georgia. And also we have some special weather statement, heat advisory for South Texas and Western Texas. Special weather statement for you guys and portion of New Mexico again. I mean Wisconsin. I mean through Minnesota, through Iowa, Illinois, Missouri, and also eastern areas of Oklahoma. Is in the Minnesota through the Dakotas, back in Iowa. Also more flood warning, flash flood watches in effect for Iowa and also Minnesota, northwest Wisconsin. The red areas, the red dots here in Wisconsin is a tornado warning. Severe thunderstorm warnings ongoing in the orange colored shadings from Iowa all the way down in Oklahoma. Flash flood warnings in effect for Minnesota and Iowa, and also some flood warnings in effect there across Iowa and portions of Nebraska. All right, frost advisory for North Dakota, and also we have some winter storm warning, winter weather advisory, winter storm watches in effect for Montana, Idaho, and also into portion of Wyoming. River flood warning there in Idaho, and a wind advisory there in Oregon. We have small gale warning in effect from Washington State down to Southern California. Same for the Hawaiian Chain Island from the central and south. North looks good. Also around the Alaska area. Inland areas, we have some in the green. Flood watches in effect. Winter storm warning also in effect for a portion of Alaska. Wind advisory there as well. All right, now let's get to the Storm Prediction Center severe weather for your Wednesday. All right, as you can see here is the outlook. General thunderstorm from Maine all the way back toward the Chattanooga area, also down in Texas, back over toward Pablo, Colorado. Same over here, portion of Spokane to Pendleton to Boise, also to Jackson, also Billings and Great Falls and Glasgow area of Montana. We have a long area of severe weather stretching from marginal risk from New York State down into Texas. Slight risk in the yellows, extending from Midland, Texas, all the way up to Rochester and Buffalo. And also we have this from Dallas all the way up to Little Rock. Also just east of Spring. A tornado probability, excuse me. All right, sorry we had to do this, but we're going to start off with day number 5. We got a slight risk from Little Rock back in the portion of Dallas, also Wichita Falls. 15% risk. This is day 5, which is, let's see, Saturday. Let's take a look at day number 6, which is Sunday. All right, as you can see, we got severe weather, 15% chance from Springfield to Little Rock, Bowling Green, Evansville, Louisville area. 15% risk for severe weather there. This will be Sunday. This is where the severe weather would take place. Would not be surprised to see a forecast. So 3, and then we'll go Go back to day 2. Alrighty, should be coming up here in a minute. Let me exit some of these things out. Let's see if it'll come up a little bit quicker. Alright, here it is. Day number 3, Richmond, Washington, D.C. area. Baltimore. Also, we have a marginal risk from Memphis to Shreveport to Waco, all the way up to Perry, South Dakota. And we have a slight risk in the yellow from Wichita to Fort Steele to Wichita Falls, Dallas, Shreveport. You're on the borderline in Little Rock, Arkansas. You're included. Let's take a look at the probability. Should be 5 and 15%. Yep, 5% from up here of Eastern Maine to Boston to Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Richmond, and Virginia Beach, Wichita Falls, Wichita, Kansas, to Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norman, Fort Steele, Wichita, and Dallas is a 15% risk area. All right. Well, let's to day 2 since it didn't want to. All right, should be coming up here. All right, this is where we was at earlier. You can see this. We'll start all over again. There's the enhanced risk in the oranger color, yellow, from Rochester to Buffalo down to Waco, Midland, and then Dallas up toward Little Rock. You're in the enhanced green, pretty much. Portion of we have a 30% from Dallas all the way up toward Little Rock, also back into portion the um, Tennessee region, southwestern portions of. Uh, we have a slight risk stretching from central Texas all the way up to Rochester, and there's the 5% risk for damaging winds. Let's take a look at the large hail. Okay, this is where the Oklahoma to Arlington, Tulsa to Plano, Arlington and Garland areas, and then the 5% from up here Watertown to Scranton to Columbus to Bowling Green all the way down to Austin, 5%, and then like I say 15% pretty much from Central Texas all the way into western portions of Kentucky, Tennessee, Southern Illinois, and portions of Southern Missouri. All right. Well, I had to do everything a little bit backwards, but anyway, we got through it. Hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday evening. Take care. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next videos. Have a wonderful, wonderful Tuesday evening, folks. Take care.